Who are you, yo?
Link.
Alright, let's go, Link.
Wait, you don't know how to play?
Fuck him up. Yo, they both don't know how to play, yo.
He's fun.
He doesn't know how to play. He doesn't.
Oh, of course fucking King is.
Yo, what is this?
Oh, body!
Yo, fuck him up.
Oh,
Fuck
my
him
God.
up. Oh. Yeah, I gotta keep my chicken real fast.
Down in A first, not down in B. Well, fucking yes. Yeah, do that. He hit him.
I like how you help him as much.
Murder him. He's gonna kill him. Oh,
wow.
He's gonna stop.
That's what
I would never stab.
What's happening? Down and beat right now. Mash. He's not close enough. Close enough, what? That's bullshit. What? That should have said I'm flying. I thought Tasman was playing.
Oh yeah, it's fun.
Oh my God. What are you doing now? He's done. Yeah! Get him, Cyrus! Get him. Eat him for breakfast, bro. I'm gonna coach you to the finals. Let's go. Is that right, Shell? What color Shell is that?
The mystery? Oh, you want a mystery game?
I'll play red.
Alright, bring it back. Yeah, just throw shit at him. Don't let him get close. Throw shit at him.
I like contrast. He's a board.
Who would you like?
He's jumping. Press down, dude.
Yeah, but he's just back. Oh, get him! Stop him!
The board shots on that.
Yeah, godlike.
Fine off.
You betting any other ones besides me?
No, that's it.
Look for it.
Yo, one big hit, he's out of there.
Or
Smash the stick.
Yeah.
I never won money on shots made by myself.
Grab that star. Yeah, beat on him. You're invincible. Squat.
Run! Sorry, Cyrus is shit.
Fighting his business?
I don't know.
I don't even know.
Yo, Cyrus is so fucking shit, man.
Cyrus is big. What a little bitch. Cyrus, you're a little bitch for playing Jigglypuff.
No, he should be winning horrifically. Get him, it's free.
Buddy!
Oh, good read.
Yeah!
How do I block?
Alright, he's out of there. There's no way the mirror's making a comeback.
I'm gonna make it come back. Now that I know how to block.
Alright, he's not going to block. Throw him. God, Jesus.
Yeah.
Yeah. I gotta get back. Chilling.
Get fucking body.
That was nice. That was nice.